And let's see here. I'm going to put this here, and I'm going to say y or n or just that. And I'm also going to make this str to upper, and I'm going to close it right there. So now I'm going to do this if statement saying if this equals y, then I'm going to say yes or no equals 1. And I'm going to say that it also equals 0 by default, so I don't have to care about the otherwise n. And I'm going to say save, and I'm going to try this again. What's your name? Blessed blank. Clop, lop, 3, 2, 1. What is your... Okay, hello, blah, 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 blah. Now you must decide whether to let him or not. Say yes or for yes and N for no. So I'm going to say yes. You said yes to Jacob because you said yes, your friend is quite happy. So if I try this again, and just do K, and I do N, because you said no to Joe, or whatever, it's quite sad. So, as you can see, I pretty much just kind of replaced that that random part with an actual user input. Now, of course, this is mainly for fun. This is not something I would probably advise you using on a job or something. But you can actually use this in both Mac, Linux, and PHP. I mean, not PHP, Linux, and Windows. Windows, you have to set the path variable. In Linux, you just have to have it installed. And Mac, by default, has PHP 4 installed into the terminal. So if you're going to want to update it, you're going to have to use, like, I think Snow Leopard has it up to PHP 5 now, however, I'm not sure. I think that Normal Leopard still has PHP 4 in the terminal. And I also advise not to use the PHP binary from the map thing for Mac, because it takes like 2 minutes for it to start in the terminal for each time that you start it. It's really lame that way. So if you're going to do this, it's probably preferred to do it in Windows or Linux. That's really all I have for this tutorial. I'm going to go and close this PHP here and save it. But that's all I have for you today. If you like my tutorials, or if you favor them, please click the stars to rate my videos and subscribe if you would like. You can check out my site at the Club 321 tutorials section, and that is under this link right here. And as you can see, it's pretty kind of helpful. Also, I got something interesting to show you. In Firefox, I set it up now so that under so I also have my site. I also have it called Cool Iris Enabled. So I'm going to go over here to the tutorials. I'm going to click on About Me just to do this, or I can click on this here. So if I do this, I can do this here, and I'm going to try to set this up so you can see the Cool Iris completely and how it looks. Let's see here. As you can see, it has kind of like the list of my tutorials. I can go around and see some, and then if I click on, say, tutorial 24, it loads the YouTube video, and then you can just click play to start it. And so if I click here and let it try to load, full screen does not work, so don't try it. It's as good as I can get it, and I don't know why it's not trying to work on that. Let's try this. And there we go. And here you can see I'm moving around my mouse and typing in stuff with the session. And that's all I have special to show you. I just recently put this in. So, also Cool Iris has some other cool things. You can also do stuff with images and more. That's about it. I also have my copyright thing set up, and I also got some links to WAMP and MAMP2 and also php.net on my site. That's about it. Signing off, Kalopalop321.